Yes, welcome to this NordVPN trial review video. This is a two-in-one video, and in this video, I'll be teaching you what a VPN is about and how to get the discounted offer that NordVPN is offering to its users. What is a VPN? A VPN is a virtual private network that allows you to surf the internet securely. That is your IP address, which is like the major thing that is exposed while you are browsing, is covered by this VPN. It gives you an alternate IP address of other locations depending on the one you want, and it allows you to download stuff around outside your region. It allows you to surf the internet safely, and it has other amazing features, right? So there are a whole lot of VPNs out there. I don't want to list them, but there are a lot of VPNs out there. But amongst them is NordVPN, which tops my list. NordVPN is one of the best VPN in the world because it has amazing features. You can just navigate and come to this Why Not VPN page right here, and you see amazing features that NordVPN has, amongst which are these are some of the amazing features of NordVPN. It has threat protection, it has mesh nest, dark web monitor, dedicated IP, online security, and a lot of other amazing features. All you need to do is just keep scrolling, and you'll be seeing the amazing features right there. Now, what is the catch for you? NordVPN has an amazing discounted offer that a lot of persons don't know about, right? So just stick with this video till the end to get it, right? So first thing you have to do is click on the description below, and you'll find the link to get this discounted offer in the description. After clicking on the link, the next thing you want to do is click on get the deal. Navigate to get the deal. Then check the features and see which one aligns with you. There is the complete offer, there is the plus, and there is the basic, right? So you can just come down here, click on compare plans. Then you are going to see the different features that they have: secure high VPN, threat protection, 10 devices secured at once, and all that and all that. So they have different features for different prices, right? But the amazing thing about this video is that because you use the link in my description, you are going to be getting 70% off here, 69% off here, and 69% off here. Now, another amazing advantage is that you get 3 months extra even after your subscription has expired. So that is like the amazing advantage of this discounted offer. So don't waste time. Click the link in the description below right now and get access to this amazing offer. Share with your friends and family, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. I'll see you in the next video.